In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Telegram link in TikTok. By the end, you'll have your Telegram profile link visible on your TikTok profile so viewers can reach you quickly and easily. First, start in the Telegram app. Open Settings, which is where your profile information lives. On that screen, you'll see your Telegram profile link next to your username. It typically appears as a simple web link you can share. Tap and hold the link to copy it. Or use the copy icon if you see one. Make sure you've actually copied the full link so it can be pasted cleanly later. A quick tip here. Keep this link handy on your clipboard for the next step. Because we're going to move straight into TikTok to place it where your audience can find it. Now switch over to the TikTok app. Go to your profile by tapping the Profile tab. Then tap Edit Profile. This is the hub for all your visible details. Look for the website field if you see it. Tap it. Then paste the Telegram link you just copied. Double-check that the entire link is there, with no extra spaces before or after. And that it looks exactly like it did in Telegram. When you are satisfied, confirm or save your changes. Head back to your profile view and you should see the link displayed. This makes it super straightforward for visitors to tap through to your Telegram. If the website field isn't available on your account, you still have a simple fallback. In the same Edit Profile screen, open the Bio section. Paste your Telegram link directly into your bio text. Keep it clear and upfront so it's easy to notice. Placing it at the beginning of your bio helps. You can add a short call to action like "Message me on Telegram" followed by the link to make the purpose obvious. Save your changes, then check your profile to confirm the link is visible in the bio. Depending on your region and account type. Links in the bio may not be instantly clickable, but viewers can still copy and use the link to reach you. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.